Hi guys, in front of me is Google Pixel 7 and let me show you how to change home screen wallpaper. First of all, we have to open the settings, then find and select Wallpaper and Style and click on Change Wallpaper. Now pick the album from which you want to select your display and then just tap on a picture that you want to apply. So as you can see, you've got plenty of options because that's the only one from those albums presented here, and then obviously you can use any picture of yours also, so you can smoothly preview it by tapping. And if you wish, for example, to apply this one, decide if it's for your home and lock screen and tap on confirmation mark. So actually I also mark lock screen, however I meant home screen only, but this is how you can do it. So then just mark home screen only then. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.